here created a Google Sheet but now need to pass the torch to someone else. Today I'll show you how to transfer ownership of a Google Sheet in just a few clicks. Before heading off, there are some important notes that needs to be remembered. That is, you cannot transfer ownership to someone outside your organization if you are using a school or work Google account. And another one is, if you're not the current owner, you cannot make yourself the owner. Only the owner can do that. So if this does not apply to you, let's head it to the topic. First, click on the share button in the top right corner. A share with people and groups box will pop up. In the sharing box, type in the email of the new owner if they are not already added. Click the drop-down menu next to their name, select Transfer Ownership. Click Done. The new owner will get an email to accept the transfer. Once they do, you will be downgraded to an editor, so make sure you really want to do this. And that's it. Now you can officially pass the spreadsheet clone to someone else. If this video helped, like, subscribe and comment below.